Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be showing you how to remove your hard drive in your Toshiba Satellite L75D. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over. There'll be two tabs here that you want to push to the side and allow you to remove the battery. Once that's removed, there will be a door in the middle here. It's held down by one screw. You just want to remove that screw. And that'll expose the hard drive and the RAM sticks. On the hard drive, there'll be two screws holding it down into the board. You just want to remove them as well, and then it'll allow you to slide it out. Since this is just an example, and this one's fine, I'll put that right back in. You just want to make sure it's flush to the end. And screw that back down. And you just want to put the door back. The one screw, and that's it. Once you put the battery back, you're all done. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.